In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Teams account from PC. To delete a Microsoft Teams account from your PC, you will do it through your Microsoft account settings in a web browser. Before you begin, make sure you are ready to close the entire Microsoft account connected to Teams. This can affect other Microsoft services you may use with the same sign-in, and some data may no longer be available after the account is marked for closure. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, go to account.microsoft.com. When the page loads, sign in using the same Microsoft account you use for Microsoft Teams. Enter your sign-in details and complete any security prompts if Microsoft asks for verification. Once you are signed in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Your Info. This section contains the profile and account details Microsoft uses across its services. After the page opens, scroll down toward the bottom. Take your time and read what is on the page as you scroll, since this area includes important account information. Near the bottom, find the Account Info section. Under that section, click Close Account. This will take you to a confirmation screen often labeled as a ready-to-close page. Pause here and read the information carefully. Microsoft typically explains what will happen when the account is closed, including access to services, subscriptions, balances, and stored content connected to that account. When you are ready to continue, scroll down and click the Next button. On the next screen, you will see multiple checkboxes. Click each checkbox to confirm that you understand the consequences and the potential data loss. This is an important part of the process, so make sure you understand what you are agreeing to before moving on. After checking all the boxes, select a reason for leaving from the drop-down menu. This is usually required to proceed. Then click the button that says Mark Account for Closure. This step is what actually starts the account closure process, so be certain you are using the correct account before you click it. Finally, click Done to finish. Your account will now be marked for closure according to Microsoft's process. And that is all there is to it.